Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your Canva documents for clients with share links, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your Canva documents for clients using share links, start by opening the Canva document you want to share. Ensure your design is finalized and ready for client review. Click on the Share button located in the top right corner of the screen. In the sharing options, select the Anyone with the link setting. Choose the appropriate access level for your clients, either view or edit. If you selected view, your clients will only be able to see the document. For edit, clients will be able to make changes to the design. Next, click on Copy Link to copy the generated share link to your clipboard. Now, open a new browser tab and paste the share link to check if it works correctly. Make sure to verify that the document appears as intended and that all elements are visible. Once confirmed, return to your original browser tab with Canva. To enhance security, consider adding a password to your shared document. This option is available for Canva Pro users under the Share settings. Communicate the password to your clients securely via email or a messaging app. After setting up the document, inform your clients about how to access it. Provide them with the share link and, if applicable, the password. Encourage your clients to report any access issues they might encounter. This ensures a smooth collaboration process with your Canva designs. Remember to monitor any feedback or suggestions your clients may have. Be open to making adjustments based on their requests for optimal results. Following these steps will help you effectively authenticate and share your Canva documents with clients. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.